What cleaner should you use with your portable carpet cleaner? You've got lots of options. So I've got the Bissell Little Green Machine, I've got the Hoover Cleanslate. These portable carpet cleaners come with an 8-ounce bottle of cleaner or a 6-ounce bottle, kind of just depends on the product and what you get at the time. But these are the carpet cleaners that you'll typically get with the machine, right? What do you actually need to use? Well, you can actually just use these as they come with it, but what happens when you run out? Well, you can reorder from each of the companies here. You can get the Hoover, you can get the Bissell, but you can also buy other types of carpet cleaner. So this is one that I really like. It's Folex, and I found it to work really well. So it comes in a nice big bottle here, and you can just spray it directly on a spot or a stain. So real quick, I'll just kind of show you what that would look like. You know, with these cleaners, you just dilute them in the tank there and then you spray it on, but you don't have to do that. So I'll just create a spill here on the carpet. So we got our spill there. Now you can blot that up with a towel typically first if you catch a fresh stain. But otherwise, what you're going to do is you're just going to take your carpet cleaner here and you're just going to spray it directly onto the spot that you're working. And then, I don't want the stream, I want the spray. Spray it directly onto the spot that you want to clean. And then you can just go ahead and use your machine as you typically would. So you can just fill this up with warm, hot water right out of the tap, then spray it down with some more water, scrub it with the bristles, and then extract. So let me show you that. Spray it down. Extract. See, it's getting all the coffee out of there. And really, that's it. So really, you can use kind of whatever carpet cleaner you want. You can just go around. You can spray this on the spots beforehand and kind of let it start working on the stain that you want to clean. Then you can come back, use the Bissell Little Green Machine just as you normally would, except for you don't have to worry about the cleaner in the tank. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on this mess. I'm gonna spray it down with a little water, scrub it, extract, repeat the process. But hopefully that helps. You've got tons of different options when it comes to carpet cleaner, but I really do like this Folex one. You can spray it directly onto the carpet. You do not have to dilute it. Comes right in this bottle and you can use it just as it is, and it's got tons of different items that it recommends that you use it for, you know, including but not limited to pet accidents, coffee, rust, food, old stains, dirt, grime, and even wine. So hopefully that was helpful.